Hola, Martin here. Hi guys. Grand Risings. Still in Spain, and Montgo, right next to us, um, is an anomalous mountain. We've done some research now. There are schools of thought thinking this is a titan, a fossilized elephant, but the people in the area will tell you a ley line rips straight through it. And I've also checked this morning, myself and Cheryl, the magnetic declination maps for this area. And there is a magnetic anomaly that goes straight through this mountain. This mountain is a Mount Meru. In a similar way that Glastonbury Tor is a Mount Meru, it's a magnetic mountain. And you can certainly feel it. Even from where I'm standing here, I can feel it. The energies. Woo! So, to show you, it's a cooler day today. It's about 24 degrees after the stinking hot weather that we have had. But today we're going to go and look for some tunnels for some content in that fort or that castle over there, Denia Castle, which has lots of tunnels underneath it, which I'm really excited about seeing. And then it's going to be up to that beautiful national park you can see there with the trees under Montgo. So yeah, ley lines ripping straight through, magnetic anomalies. This place is electric. You all see? Much love.